Well, the main message is look at where the industry is going. We can help you as these new models are coming out, like cloud, like Flash. We as a company will help you understand and navigate your way through it. This is why we call it NetApp Directions. We're here to give you some direction and some help as these new technologies come in, but underneath it all, we're focused on the core messages, which is, how do we help you, save money, make money, and protect your assets as well as you move forward. Your main challenges as a CIO today are continue to be relevant to the business, to add to the business. I mean, at the end of the day, CIOs are becoming more business-centric. They need to look to see how can technology really be applied to help drive forward their businesses in a way that 10 years ago they were not. They were very much a service. Today they are about actually being the difference between the company being successful or not is how technology is applied. And there are multiple different ways and models now, and the CIO needs to be very much tying those into the strategy of the business. We at NetApp are helping the CIO by providing the sort of guidance, providing the systems to allow them to move into this new world of cloud computing, of flash-based systems, of data sovereignty, data protection, data privacy, things which worry C-level executives, which is the protection of their assets. And we as a company are here to help them do that.
I think the main message is about the innovation, to show our partners, customers that we are an innovative company, and we talk about all the new product solutions that we provide to the market. I think the main change is with what happened in the world with the crisis is to save money, and with our technologies we have some solution to make the CIOs, to help them to save money and to make their system more efficient. I'm familiar with the Israeli market, and the changes for Shlomi is to continue to grow in this market. We know that we have a good market share, about 30%, so it's very huge, but we want to continue to develop in the large account, in the enterprise account, but also to develop our business with the small companies, small business.